Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for a comfortable and practical creeper? This one's got some smart features. The ergonomic design includes a built-in shoulder recess, which provides extra support as you ease back onto the padded headrest, a real plus for those longer jobs. Measuring 40-inch long and 19-inch wide, with 6 3-inch diameter swivel caster wheels, it's easy to maneuver. It's also surprisingly strong, boasting a 350 pounds load capacity and comfortably accommodates most users. Despite its sturdy, heavy-duty ABS plastic construction, it's lightweight at just 13 pounds. The impact-resistant design adds to its durability and ensures comfortable use. Plus, handy side pockets keep your tools and bolts within easy reach. The low-profile design also provides excellent clearance under vehicles. If you need a reliable and comfortable creeper, this one is worth checking out. A carpenter pencil that actually works. This mechanical pencil is a game changer. The holster is fantastic. It clips securely to my pocket, belt, or apron, and the rounded design makes it easy to drop the pencil in without snagging. The cap stays on securely, a huge plus compared to other pencils where it constantly pops off. The built-in sharpener gives a nice sharp point without excessive breakage. The lead advances smoothly and doesn't slip, which is crucial for accurate marking. One of the best features is the thin end tube. It lets you mark in tight spaces and deep pockets with ease. Plus, the lead can extend quite far, so you can mark in even the smallest holes. The round barrel means it can roll off surfaces a bit easier than a square pencil, but the roll stop helps grip. Hultaforce ink cartridges are said to be convenient. Overall, if you need a reliable and well-designed mechanical carpenter pencil, the Pica Dry is the way to go. Looking for a chainsaw that's powerful yet easy to handle? This lightweight cordless model, weighing just 2.62 pounds, is perfect for one-handed use without tiring you out. It comes with two 2.0 batteries and a fast charger, so you can keep working longer. Plus, the batteries have built-in overload and temperature protection, which helps them last longer. The chainsaw arrives fully assembled. Just tighten things up with the included wrench. No need to mess with installing the chain yourself. Don't let the mini size fool you. This thing is a beast. The powerful motor and dual batteries can slice through almost 6-inch logs in just 8 seconds. Whether you're cutting firewood, pruning branches, or tackling garden projects, it offers way more portability and speed than a traditional chainsaw. Not only is this chainsaw a handy tool to have around, but it also makes a great gift. If you're looking for something practical and impressive for Father's Day, this is a winner. Cleaning high ceilings or those hard-to-reach spots can be a real pain, but this 4-piece extendable duster kit makes it a breeze. With a whopping 36 feet of reach, no cobweb or dust bunny is safe. This set is designed for tackling awkward angles and surfaces. The scratch-free microfiber feather duster is especially great for delicate areas, ensuring effective dust removal without any damage. Reaching high places with a shaky ladder is risky. This extendable duster lets you clean safely from the ground, keeping your home spotless without the danger of falls. The universal attachment point is a neat feature too. It's compatible with other tools like paint rollers and fruit pickers. The pole retracts to a compact 7 feet for easy storage and transport. Plus, the quick-release thumb lever and non-slip grips make it easy to control and hold steady while cleaning. Keeping your painting tools clean can be a real chore, but this cleaner makes it a breeze. The 420 stainless steel blade is seriously tough, flexible enough to get into all the nooks and crannies, and resists rust, a huge plus. It's perfectly sized for cleaning mini rollers, both small and large diameter ones, and even tackles standard-sized roller covers, from short to long nap. What really sets this cleaner apart is the fine-tipped, long-toothed comb. It's fantastic for separating brush bristles, letting you really dig in and remove dried paint from the brush head. If you're serious about keeping your brushes and rollers in top shape, this tool is a must-have. If you're serious about keeping your brushes and rollers in top shape, this tool is a must-have. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a safe and convenient glue gun? This cordless model is a great option. It boasts an intelligent safety system that automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of inactivity, saving energy and preventing accidents. Plus, battery and heating indicators keep you informed of its status. The flame retardant surface adds another layer of protection. Being cordless is a game changer. The upgraded 2200 mAh battery charges in just 2 hours via USB and provides up to 100 minutes of continuous use. No more tangled cords. The advanced heating tech means it's ready to go in just 1 minute, maintaining a consistent temperature for smooth application. Safety is clearly a priority here. There's a secure on-off switch, an LED indicator, a leak-proof design, and a heat-resistant nozzle. The trigger mechanism also helps control glue flow, minimizing waste. Perfect for all sorts of DIY projects, from crafts and home repairs to holiday decorations, this glue gun works well with various materials. Need a reliable wire stripper? The Knoweasy 700D is a solid choice. It effortlessly strips wires from 14 to 24 AUG, perfect for everything from household electrical repairs to speaker wire projects. Built with durable steel strips and lightweight glass fiber nylon, it's both sturdy and easy to handle. The automatic, self-adjusting design is a real-time saver. Just insert the wire, and the pliers do the rest, adapting to the wire's diameter for a clean strip every time. Whether you're an electrician, gardener tackling outdoor wiring, a DIY enthusiast, or just need to fix a loose connection, this tool is incredibly handy. The Knoweasy 700D comes with a helpful guide, a 12-month warranty, and access to their friendly customer support. It's a well-rounded package for anyone who works with wires. Looking for a solid set of corner clamps for your woodworking projects? These 90-degree clamps are built to last. Made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy with a rust-proof coating, they're tough enough for regular use. With a maximum clamping range of about 2.75 inches, a jaw width of 3.7 inches, and a jaw depth of 1.4 inches, they can handle various materials: wood, metal, glass, even acrylic. They're perfect for building cabinets or any project requiring precise 90-degree angles. What's really handy is the two-way rotating single handle. This lets you clamp pieces of different thicknesses together at a perfect right angle. No more struggling to keep everything aligned. The rubberized handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, making setup quick and secure. If you're serious about woodworking, these corner clamps are a must-have. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Need zip ties that can handle anything? These 304 stainless steel ties are a serious upgrade from flimsy plastic ones. They're 4 times stronger, resisting extreme temperatures, cold, rust, and corrosion. Unlike plastic ties that crumble under UV rays, these metal ones are built to last outdoors. We're talking serious strength here. Each tie can hold up to 198 pounds. That's 4 times the capacity of standard plastic. Perfect for heavy-duty jobs. Using them is simple. Just tighten with needle nose pliers and snip off the excess with diagonal pliers or tin snips. No special tools required. From fences and gardens to pipes, roofs, and even car exhaust wraps, these stainless steel zip ties are incredibly versatile. If you need reliable, long-lasting fastening, these are the way to go. Looking for a reliable circular saw that won't weigh you down? The DEWALT 7¼ model is surprisingly lightweight for its power. This corded saw packs a serious punch with its 15-amp motor, tackling even the toughest jobs with ease. It offers a beveling capacity of up to 57 degrees, with convenient stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for common angles. The 2.916-inch cut depth handles most standard lumber. Built for tough conditions, the ball-bearing lower guard ensures long life and the smooth, high-grade aluminum base provides accurate cuts every time. The lower guard design is smart, improving performance on bevel cuts and when cutting shims. Plus, the integrated dust blower keeps your cut line clear for better visibility. DEWALT's patented tough cord protection system also provides extra durability against cord pullout, a common problem with power tools. If you need a powerful, durable, and easy-to-use circular saw, this DEWALT is definitely worth considering. Want to keep your bike in top shape? This 15-piece torque wrench set is a must-have. It offers precise torque settings from 2 to 26 Newton meters, with fine 0.2 Newton meters adjustments. The wrench is built tough with a hardened, heat-treated ratchet head made from chrome molybdenum steel. The quick-release button makes swapping sockets fast and secure. It's pre-calibrated for accuracy and comes with a calibration certificate and unique serial number. This ensures you're tightening bolts to the right spec, preventing damage from over-tightening and prolonging your bike's life. The electro-black finish protects against rust and corrosion, while the knurled aerospace aluminum handle provides a secure, non-slip grip. The slide-to-lock mechanism makes setting your desired torque a breeze. Even in low light, the easy-to-read yellow markings are clear. And unlike other wrenches, its unique handle design reduces hand fatigue by up to 62%, making longer maintenance jobs much easier.